What's going on, everybody? So what we're doing today is we are putting the new deck on the water truck. When I bought this bed last year, the decking boards were in a pretty rough shape. So planned to do it last year, but you know how all projects start or go. I didn't end up getting around to it, and we had to end up throwing a water tank on it and get to hauling water. We haul water for swimming pools during the summer with this thing. Um, and at the moment, we have a 1,600 gallon tank. It goes on here, and we have a 400 or 450 gallon tank that we plumb into it to make 2,000 gallons. But we are going to be, or well, not going to be. I already ordered it. I ordered a 2,000 gallon tank for this thing, and we're gonna upgrade our pumps because we have a 2-inch trash pump and all 2-inch hoses, and we're gonna upgrade everything to 3-inch hoses and a 3-inch trash pump and a 2,000 gallon tank. And we got to build a new shoot, lost for words right now. I can't think what it's called. Air gap. So when we fill out a couple of the water plants around here, we got to hook it into our own piping. Then it's got to have a gap between the tank and the pipe for the water that's coming out of the plant goes into it. But yeah, so basically my plan here on these deck boards is I'm going to be putting a bar right here to hold the boards down in the middle. It's going to be nut and bolted. And boy, the saw really did not like this treated board. I don't have the previous saw. I was just using the regular one saw sideways, and it's bogging down pretty good. But anyways, I'm putting a piece of flat stock across there to hold them from in the middle, so that way they'll stay down. And then I got to weld a piece of flat stock on the end. So you just they slide in the front. They slide into a groove in the front, and then they'll slide in a groove in the back. So that way we can pick them up and take them off by 4 bolts if we ever need to take the boards back off. As you can see, we're putting the piece of flat stock in right there. And my wife coming out to make sure I'm working and not goofing off. But yeah, this truck actually began life. It had I believe it was around a 35 foot box on it. It was a box truck, and we took the box off of it and shortened the frame 10 foot, and we moved the rear axle forward, or I believe it was like 4.5 foot, so we could shorten the thing up so we can get in and out of these driveways. Some driveways are extremely tight to get in and out of with this thing, but it's got an awesome turning radius. I actually began water hauling just with my my 1-ton dually and my 30-foot gooseneck. And boy, that was a pain to get in and out of some driveways. I turned down a bunch of jobs, and basically this truck runs from about 7 a.m. to I think we stop hauling at around 11, 12 o'clock, midnight. It runs 7 days a week from Memorial Day to Labor Day, or Labor Day to Memorial Day. I probably got those backwards. But yeah, so, and plus we got a little bit of me cleaning out the truck. We had the seats out of it, and we're putting actual regular Super Duty seats in it. This just had the cheap seats in it. And they're very uncomfortable because we sit in this thing all day long. So I figured I'd get it cleaned out while I got the seats out, and we'll get the seats installed, and we're going to shampoo them because actually I got the seats out of Tyler's truck. He has a parts truck that's just been sitting around, don't have any doors on it, so we need to get him cleaned up real good. So you'll see that coming up. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. thing up. These brushes that go on the end of your drill are super handy and come in really handy a lot of times. You can use them for shampooing carpet. Basically, spray some cleaner on them and agitate the carpet, and then come back in with a shampooer, and it does a phenomenal job. But what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna do it to scuff this up. Once I get it all scuffed up, then I spray it back down, and then we'll just vacuum it out.